All right, back again. You can see Nora Phillips here, famous bass fisherman from the Philippines.
And I got one.
And already into a
got
fish.
One.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is incredible action. Let's see what she's got here.
I don't know what you call this fish.
This is a great big, let me pan in just a little bit. Nora, hold it over this way. This is a great big bluegill she's got here.
The biggest fish so far.
That's the biggest fish all day?
No joke.
Yeah, actually that's a good bluegill though.
Yes, it is.
Well, you can see there's everything here. What other kind of fish have you caught today, Nora?
Largemouth. What else?
Channel cat, correct?
Yes.
Catfish. And any wipers today?
Wipers.
And right above Nora, if I pan very slowly here, and let's see if we can zoom out real slow. I think I hear an ambassador behind me here. There is the wakeboard slider. Fishing's incredible here, Mr. Keegan. You can see the wakeboard slider there. Give Nora here just another minute or so to zero in on another big fish here live Lake Colorado. Is that Nora with another fish right in front of us? Yeah, this looks like another healthy bluegill. Yep, another bluegill. Oh, that one is dark with the very orange underside. Hand-sized bluegill here, Lake Colorado, with the ambassador on top of the roof. And that fish is back.
No.
Beautiful sight today.
Glass water.
Glass water.
Can you believe nobody's skiing?
Well, a little bit of chop on it here.
How's the feeling you're gonna catch a big one?
That's the feeling. We'll be back with a report soon. Now Nora's got another one here. What kind of fish could this be?
I don't have any clue.
If you did know, what would you guess though? Big cat?
I don't know. I believe it's a catfish.
She's bent double. You don't see anything out in the water yet. Nothing flashing here.
No.
Fish is deep.
Oh my God! What the heck is this? I mean, it's fighting.
Well, I'm glad you're catching fish.
Changed my life.
She's pumping in right now using saltwater technique on fresh water. Uh-oh.
I don't know what.
We saw the first flash of the fish right down here in the water.
Hello. It fights hard.
Whoa.
I don't know what kind of fish this is.
Oh, it's a big wiper. It is a
Is
wiper?
it? That'd be awesome. Oh my God.
You can see her here. She's pumping. She's giving up drag though. We're finally seeing a fish boil over here.
Oh, it's a carp. I mean, a catfish. Yes.
All right, another big channel cat.
Uh-oh, I think I'm gonna need your help in here.
All right, let's see.
Because this is a giant one. Look, zoom it in. Zoom in.
Don't have to zoom it in. He's in the middle of the frame.
Oh, look. It's giant.
Big, fat cat.
Oh my God. This is great.
Let me get down here and release this fish.
Here, you do it because I'm scared and that's why.
That is a nice cat.
I know, and it's cool. I cannot believe I'm catching
See him right here, folks. Right here. Nice big cat. Uh-oh, we lost the hook.
You lost the hook?
Yep, he's gonna be gone. Gonna have to Gonna have to re-rig, folks. We'll be back.
What can I say?
Sexual discrimination lawsuit here. Rick Egan's pointing out. My wife is hurting. This is emotional pain. Got another big
Catfish.
cat, channel cat.
Yes.
I mean, channel cat on a worm now. A plastic worm. Who would have thought? Seen it flash in front of her. How big is this one?
It's not as big as the other one. But it's a catfish. But I'm losing my worms though.
Well, yeah, but you're catching fish.
I know.
All right, well, you can see it right there. Another big cat has been landed, and I'm going to have to go get it off. Well, that's
I might
maybe
be able
a
to.
pound and a half. That's a good fish. Here, you want the pliers?
Yes.
Here, just grab the hook with the pliers.
You're making me wet.
They're beautiful fish.
Go back trail and see how
There
much
you
the
go.
Rams are losing by.
Uh-oh.
Right now.
Were they losing last you checked?
Well, the game started at 5. It's 5 after 5, so
The criminals have a lot of good players?
well, more than the Rams do.
Well,
Oh, the game is on today. Forgot. The Broncos are not playing, are they?
Oh no, no. No, they don't get to lose for another week.
they play Cincinnati, right, Rick?
Oh.
Yeah, they do.
Well, they could have a good year and go 2-14, right?
I'm still thinking 3-13 myself.
Oh,
I'm
Rick,
an optimist.
I tell you what, man, you've heard it all. Fishing reports, water skiing reports, everything, right here live,
Yeah.
Lake Colorado.
Yeah.
Life has got another fish here.
I think it's a catfish again.
You've heard it live here. Barbecue Spielberg here. Covering
catfish.
Lake Colorado, catfishing with plastic worms. And she has another one. It's almost criminal. The
Catfish
smallest
like it.
one yet here.
Yes, I know.
Well, you got the pliers.
Flowers! I'm out of bait though.
What happened to the feeder?
It's just out of food. If you got plastic worms, you don't need food. It's a good fat catfish right there. You got a plastic worm on the end? There you go, man.
They do it like a alligator.
Death roll.
Yeah, like that roll.
And
The other way.
he's
That way.
free.
Good.
You saw it live right here. What do you think, Nora? Are you having any fun?
No,
No fun, huh?
not fun at
About
all.
ready to quit?
Yes.
I would if I were you. You've heard it all live. Barbecue Spielberg. Keeping the card game going is Nanai. Nanai, can you say hi to everybody in the Philippines?
Philippines.
Hello to the Philippines.
Hello.
Are you
I'm
winning?
coming.
Are you winning on the card game?
Yeah.
She's winning on the card game.
What happened?
Yeah. Bye-bye lang.
just took the screws apart,
Oh, I see.
but what's this guy do?
He's filming.
Uh-oh. Is that thing coming apart, Lucas?
It is. I was actually going to ask you a question.
Well, take it to the store, bud. You know the answer.
Yeah, I guess so, huh?
I'm going to give you the full barbecue shuffle.
I tried to give Patrick a call about it. He never called me back, though.
You're surprised?
I guess it shouldn't be, huh?
Well, you know how it is.
Yeah.
Here's the channeling dog right here. And Mom is here playing cards, thinking about warm weather in the Philippines. And Nora has gone back to the fishing spot. You can see her over here. We're running out of batteries, so Barbecue Spielberg,
I want to see it, Dad.
we are going to check back soon.
Kung nagtami ang kuano kaning lip ninyo kadala kong dalawang.
That's right, and an AO to you, Mom.
Kadala ko sa Pilipinas.
That's right. Oh,
Ikaw kadakan ba na niya tanan din niya?
Right.
Hindi na makuha no.
You heard her right here. She's playing cards. We'll be back.
I'm losing. No.
Uh-oh, she's losing. Barbecue out.